All right, Amir. So let's just start our interview. All right.
Okay.
We're really glad to have you here today. Why don't you just start by introducing yourself to our audience?
Okay. Thank you, Rifat. Hello. My name is Dede. I'm from Berau in Indonesia. That's it, maybe.
All right. So are you a scalper, swing trader, or day trader?
Sometimes I'm a swing trader. Sometimes I'm a scalper. Depend on the market. Because you can force the market to suit your style.
Yeah. You basically modify your strategy based on the market condition, right?
Yes, exactly.
Right. So it has been a while since you started trading, right? So when did you basically start your trading journey?
Well, I start my trading since 2 years ago. When the COVID-19 strike the earth, that's when I start my trading journey. And the result is always loss. Maybe all the new traders.
All right. So what was the purpose behind your trading journey? Why did you start your trading journey?
Sorry?
What was the purpose behind your trading? Everyone has some wants to get rich, some wants to get rich quick, many other purposes. So what was your purpose back then?
Okay. When I was start my trading journey, well, it's just for, killing the time when you can go to work and just stay at home. But I realized this business is very, very amazing because you can make your money right at your home. So I learned about this business. I learned about the trading strategy. I learned about the trading psychology, and I got a fantastic result.
So Forex basically started as your hobby and then it became your profession, right?
Yes.
So are you a full-time trader or a part-time trader?
Well, right now I am a part-time trader, but I guess I am a part-time trader right now. Not literally full-time trader yet.
So where else do you work then?
I work at government.
All right.
On the forestry in North Kalimantan provincial government.
All right.
Yeah, in Indonesia, when in the morning I work at the office, and when it coming on London session and New York session, well, I sit on the chart and I'm full-time trader when London session and New York session.
So I can be assured that, I'm assured that you are a good multitasker, right? Because you manage your trading and other jobs as well. So you must be good at time management.
Some things like that, because you don't need all the time at the 24 hours to in front of your chart, because you just need a half hour and an hour to analyze your chart, and then you execute your trading plan. That's it. And then you wait and patient.
Exactly. So you started trading 2 years ago. What basically motivated you to trade? Who was the person who basically inspired you to start trading?
Well, to be honest, it's just a hobby before.
All right.
And then right now I'm trading for my family. Like, I can share with my family that needs to be helped. You can be useful for all the people around you. That's very amazing, man. And I can achieve that easily with trading.
So your family is your biggest inspiration, right?
Yeah.
Sounds lovely. So how has your experience as a beginner changed when you started your professional trading journey?
Well, when I start my trading journey, so many obstacles, because as new traders, I just click buy and sell. I click buy when there is a green candle. I click sell when there is a red candle. That's hilarious. And then I start to learn some strategy from some mentor in trading. Okay, I learned the strategy, I execute it, but I still can't profit. I still lost. I don't know why I still lost in this business. I already learned the strategy, and then I realized that I'm become profitable since I know that psychology trading and the mentality is the key in this business.
Exactly. So talking about strategy, can you share your trading strategy with us?
Okay. Share screen right now?
Yeah, you can share your screen as well.
Okay. Minute. Okay. I'm using the trading view. Well, unfortunately, this is my running trade right now. You can look at the chart. My risk reward ratio is 1:20, almost 20. Yeah, that's how people success in this business.
Exactly.
The risk and ratio. Okay, so I will start to explaining about my strategy. Well, my strategy is the basic of my strategy. The things that all people is already know. The support and resistance. Let me clear the chart first.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. First, I start with monthly time frame. Like the monthly and the weekly, I using it for the direction of the market. Like, okay, right now I'm on GJ.
Bearish market. That's right.
Yeah, sorry.
You use the weekly and monthly time frame to determine if the market is bullish or bearish.
Yes, to determine the direction of the market.
Yeah.
Okay, in the monthly, I will look for the market structure. Like here, I can identify that the market making lower low, lower high. Why is lower high? Because lower than high in here. And then, sorry. Give me a minute.
Sure.
Can you cut it on YouTube?
Yeah, it will be cut. No worries.
Okay. All right. Okay, this is the lower high because it's lower than this high.
Yeah.
And then I can determine that it could be making a new lower again here. But there is a market structure in the lower time frame than monthly time frame. So when it after I determine the market structure, I will identify the support and resistance. Like this one, this is the valid support and resistance because here resistance, support. It's end here. Okay, so and then I identify the support here. Support here. Okay, this is the support, the major support and resistance in monthly time frame. Okay, maybe I will mark this one also. Okay, and then I will jump into weekly time frame.
All right.
Okay, in weekly time frame, actually, GJ making bullish structure because it always making lower high and higher high and higher low
resistance, and it's constantly making higher highs and higher lows, right?
Yeah, so it's bullish trend.
Yeah, it's bullish.
But I can, sorry. From my point of view, there must be reversal in DJ based on the support resistance on the highly time frame, like this. This is the bullish trend, but I can identify that it already touched the resistance here. Okay, you can see resistance.
Yeah.
This support. Resistance, support, resistance. So this is valid. This is a valid support and resistance. Okay.
Yeah.
So from my opinion, GJ will making some reversal, but I will look for a lower time frame again on the daily. Okay. On the daily, you can show here. Structure on daily, still bullish. But here, you can see the double bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah. This one.
Yeah.
Yep. Jump to the 4 hour. Okay. 4 hour already break the structure. Yeah. It break the low in here.
Yeah.
So I can identify this resistance here. Resistance become support. Okay.
Yeah.
It already broke. And then now there is some correction here that cannot break this high. So this is lower high. Okay. And then I expect GJ will come into bearish. At least here. I guess this is more for my swing setup. But yeah, just using support resistance. But for my scalping setup, usually I'm using the London session because London session has more power. For my scalping setup, I'm using the 1 hour. And when it comes to London, I will look for the support and resistance that broke by the price, like this one. Green is for London session. You can see that the market has more power on London session.
Exactly.
Okay? This Asian session, and when it comes to London, it broke the resistance here. Okay, then I'm jump down for the 5 minutes. Sorry, where did it get? This one, I will mark this one first. Jump to the 15 minute. This is the support and resistance.
All right.
When it broke on London session, I will buy at level. Okay, and with a tight stop loss. Usually I'm using 15 pips, and the target is the next resistance around here.
I see.
Because you can see the support here become resistant. So this is my scalping setup with 1:5 risk and reward ratio. That's it. My strategy is pretty simple, because the less you know is the more you know.
Can you tell us the story behind developing this strategy?
Okay. Maybe I need to stop sharing my screen.
You can.
Or
No worries.
yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Can you repeat again? Sorry.
Can you tell us the story behind developing your strategy?
Okay. About this, actually, this is a basic on trading. You know, when people start their trading journey, they will learn about the support and resistance.
Exactly.
But the beginner traders will come into the beginner trader trying to find some holy grail in trading. You know,
Exactly.
they will start search on Google how to not lose on trading, how to always win in trading. Well, they looking for something that doesn't exist.
Exactly.
You know, there is no holy grail in this trading, in this business. So I also doing that, to be unfortunately. So I'm searching for holy grail on trading, yeah, on Google, on YouTube, and then what I get is just loss. And then I realized that there isn't holy grail in this business.
Exactly.
I need to learn the strategy properly. I need to learn the psychology behind trading properly. So, and I need to backtest the data about the strategy. Yeah, that's when I develop my trading strategy.
So basically you trade based on supply and demand zone, or I should say support and resistance zones. Are these two the only confirmation that you need to execute a trade, or you need other confirmations as well?
Yep. Basically, I'm using the supply and demand and support resistance, whatever they say, because support resistance and supply and demand actually just the same. Yeah, the different name about the strategy. You know, the supply and demand. When you learn about supply and demand, the supply and demand is always on support and resistance zone.
Exactly.
You know, the indecision candle, well, it's always on support and resistance. So from my point of view, support and resistance is just the same with supply and demand, but different treatment by the trader about the level, about the zone of the supply and the support and resistance. And when I come into trading, do I need the confirmation? You already look about my trading setup. Exactly. You can see that my stop loss is very tight, only 10 till 15 pips. So I just need to identify the major level, the key level, and then I put the sell limit or the buy limit. I don't need the confirmation. Like, stop loss is fine. Stop loss is part of the game, so it's okay.
So which time frame is your strategy best suited for? Is it 1 hour, or is it bigger time frame like daily or weekly?
Yeah, I determine the direction by the monthly and weekly time frame, and then I start to analyze the market structure on the daily and 4 hour, and then for the confirmation of the key level or the zone, I'm using the 1 hour. That's it. I'm not using the 15-minute or the 5-minute. That's it.
All right. So which currency pairs do you mostly trade?
Sorry?
Which currency pairs do you mostly trade?
Okay. To be honest, right now, market pretty ranging.
Yeah.
Gold is ranging. GJ is in correction wave right now.
Yeah.
AU. So pretty hard, but I need to be consistent with my strategy. That I need to be patient. The price will be touch my zone or key level, and then I execute. So when it comes to what is my favorite currency pair,
Yeah.
I think all the currency pair that suit with my setup, with my trading plan, all the currency pair.
So you basically go through most of the charts of the currency pairs, and whenever you see that a currency pairs chart is aligning with your strategy, it is
Yes.
on your zone, then you execute a trade based on buy stop
Yes.
or sell stop or buy limit, sell limits, right?
Yes. Mostly I'm using the limit order and mostly on GJ, but I trading on all currency pairs.
All right. So during this trading period, what has been your average risk to reward ratio?
My risk reward ratio, it's pretty important in this business.
Yeah.
Because the consistency of your risk and reward ratio is the key of your success in this business.
Exactly.
Yeah, not the winning rate. My winning rate may be around 0.5%.
Yeah.
But I'm making money in this business. I'll make money in this business because the risk and reward ratio is pretty good. Well, I usually using 1 to 3 minimum risk and reward ratio, but mostly around 8 until 20.
All right.
But the minimum is 1 to 3.
The minimum is 1 to 3, and it can be as high.
Because I have tight stop loss.
Yeah. So don't you find it hard to maintain such tight stop losses in your trading?
Sorry?
Don't you find it hard to maintain such tight stop losses in your trading?
Well, this is about for the beginners traders, they will using the pretty big stop loss because what they don't want to lose.
Exactly.
Okay, but for me, tight stop loss is my key. As long as the stop loss is above or below my key level, I can, the secret of my tight stop loss is the key level. When I just put it under or above the key level, so I can get the tight stop loss.
So the tight stop loss is basically the part of your strategy, right? To get the high risk to reward ratio.
Yes, exactly.
So we have heard many things about your strategy. So how did you used to trade before you joined FundedNext or any other prop firm?
Well, I joined other prop firm before I joined the FundedNext. Should I mention it or?
Yeah, you can mention it as well. And at the same time, how did you used to trade? Because now you're managing your risk quite well. When you were not with a prop firm, how did you used to calculate your daily loss limit, your overall loss limit, all these things?
Okay, this is the good things about the prop firm. They have the tight rules about the trading strategy. They have the rules about the daily loss, the maximum loss, the minimum trading days for the psychology.
Yeah.
So when it become the prop firms, my daily loss is 5% and 10%, right?
Yeah.
When I was not in prop firm, my daily loss is my account balance. Margin call is my daily loss.
Margin call was your daily loss.
So what I try to say that the rules from the prop firm is making your psychology and trading improve.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because in most of the cases, the target has always been to not to confine any traders, but to improve their skills and just to pick the best of the best from all the traders.
Yes, true.
So what basically motivated you to join FundedNext?
Well, I saw FundedNext on Instagram, and to be honest, FundedNext is the only platform that give you 15% sharing profit on the challenge phase. That's pretty amazing. So I interest to join the FundedNext, and yeah, so I'm now the FundedNext trader.
We're really happy to have you with us. So can you share your experience with FundedNext in brief?
Okay, to be honest, FundedNext is the best prop firm that I
have ever traded with.
Yeah,
FundedNext is the best prop firm you have ever traded with.
Yes, exactly. I tried with any other platform before, like FTMO, MFF, the 5%. Can I mention it?
Sure, no worries.
Okay, but FundedNext is the best because they have very tight spread.
Yeah,
that's good for my strategy because I have tight stop loss.
Exactly.
And what do you call it, about the
slippage,
the mentor, as the manager of my account. Yeah, that's on other platform. You need to queue to talking with your client service, but in FundedNext you can directly chat to your account manager. Yeah, that's amazing.
So you have got a lot of things that you like about FundedNext. So what's the thing you like most about FundedNext? We've got 15% share here. We've got account manager here. We've got dedicated support agent here. What's the thing you like most about FundedNext?
Yes, FundedNext answer all any platform trader in the world. Sorry. Again, I need to.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Ask me for one more time, please.
So, what's the thing you like most about FundedNext?
Okay. There is so many that I like from FundedNext because FundedNext very innovative about what the traders need, the platform traders needs, about the 15%, about the account manager. So yeah, whatever they have, I like it. I love it.
All right. So now, what do you think is the most important factor to become a successful trader?
The most important thing is the mentality of the trader, the psychology trading. Because what? You can learn about the strategy, about the support and resistance, about the EMA, the Bollinger Band, about the supply and demand. But when you then have the mentality of the professional trader, you can make money in this business.
Exactly.
You need to maintain your emotion on this business. Like how to maintain the emotion in this business is how to maintain it is by have no emotion at all. Like when the price hit your stop loss, you just do nothing. When the price hit your take profit, you just do nothing. That's all. You don't need to be angry. You don't need to be sad. You don't need to be happy.
Exactly.
That's when traders. That's how traders can be profit in this business.
Exactly. So, any tips for our fellow traders so that they can be as rigid as you in trading psychology? Any tips for them?
Don't watch your candle every time. That's ruin your trading psychology. Exactly. You already the trading plan, but you're watching the candle like that's ruin your strategy. Just let it move by itself.
So we have so you just provided some tips regarding how to control people's emotion. What do you basically do when you face losses? How do you control your emotions?
I do nothing. When it comes to my stop loss, okay, I'm lost. Then I need to accept that, and I move on to another trading setup.
That's amazing. So when you are in a very, very long losing streak, let's say you lost 10 trades in a row, do you take a break from the market or do you reduce your position size?
Yeah. When I got the losing strike, when I got the losing strike, well, like I said before, I do nothing. Like nothing happened. It hit my stop loss 10 times. Okay, I'm lost. Then I move on. That's it. It's just about the mentality.
Exactly.
Yeah. When you can do that, that's when you already become a trader.
Exactly. So if you don't mind, we just wanted to know about your area of interest. So are you an extrovert person or are you an introvert person?
Well, you can say I'm ambivert.
Ambivert?
Both.
All right. So what do you basically do in your leisure time? As you've mentioned before that when you were in the COVID session, when you were in the pandemic time, you basically started trading as kind of your hobby, and then it turned into your profession. So what do you basically do in your leisure time nowadays?
Well, nowadays, every my trading time is my lazy time. So I come into my chart, I prepare the trading plan, I execute, put the limit order, and then I play some game like FIFA or Dota to killing the time. So I will not to watch the candle every time. Yeah, just find some stuff to killing the time by not watching the candle.
So trading is your hobby and your profession as well, right?
Yeah.
All right. So do you have any favorite motivational quotes that inspires you in trading?
Sorry?
Do you have any motivational quote that inspires you in trading?
Quotes. Okay. Well, the quote from me is, can I prepare it first?
Yeah, sure.
About the quote? Well, I'm not prepared. Sorry.
All right, so I'm gonna ask you the question once again after you have prepared yourself. All right?
Okay, let me.
Meanwhile, let me have some water.
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
It's all right.
Okay, I'm ready.
Right. So let me ask you the question once again. Do you have any favorite motivational quotes that inspires you in trading?
Any quotes? Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry. I think I need to write it first. Okay. Sorry again.
It's okay. So do you have any favorite motivational quote that inspires you in trading?
Okay. The quotes. At the end of the day, all you have to do is not quit from trading. It will pay off your work hard.
Exactly. Not quitting and sticking to the plan is all trading is all about. So
yeah.
Thanks for having this amazing conversation with us, and
thank you, Rifat.
Thank you, man. So we hope to give you a lot of payouts in the future, and we hope that you will maintain your strict risk to reward ratio and strict stop losses, and you will be a successful, consistently profitable trader in the future. You already are, and and you're going to be 5 to 6 steps ahead in the future. We really hope for that. We wish you all the best.
Wish you all the best also. Thank you, Rifat.
Thank you, man. All right. Best of luck. Bye. I think we're at the end of the interview. So thank you for giving us your valuable time, and we hope that we will be able to send you some live payments in hopefully some of the next interviews, if you can profit, which you should.
I hope so.
All right.
Thank you for having me, man.
Yeah.
Thank you for inviting me and having me in this interview.
Yeah. Thank you to you as well, because it's really hard to manage time during the London session, just before the London session, and you did that for us. So thank you. Yeah. How do I say thank you in Indonesian language?
You can say terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Sama-sama.
When you say terima kasih, I say sama-sama.
Sama-sama. What does that mean?
You're welcome.
Oh, all right. So you say thank you, then I will say welcome, because it's easier to pronounce. Sama-sama.
Yeah. Sama-sama.
Sama-sama. Okay, man. Thanks. Goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you for being with us. See you on the next video. Till then, take care.